Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Wrap it up.
Look at this thing. Here's the little on switch. All right, I fucked it up. Would that be Neato Mosquito?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. Ah! My nose.
Recording. Mic on. Whoa.
I need to like move my body because I feel like I'm cold and I just need.
Shit.
I need to get the blood flowing, dude.
Dude, I've never seen you move this much.
And you guys can choose and pick and whatever you want to do.
Yeah.
Eyes staring into your soul.
Yeah, I was thinking even if you could let go.
I already started doing my da-da-das.
Do a
And you
different
weren't
song.
even filming yet.
Do a different song.
Well, you give me a song to do.
I'll think about the pooping song.
That's not...
Dun, 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 dun. That's it. Yeah.
My So here are my ideas, my poorly drawn up. You know what? We don't have to look at my drawings. Just give me the copper. That's what it's gonna be. That's what it's gonna be.
Yes, those are very cool pants.
Okay, so hot glue gun. And there's nothing else to say.
This is him.
Oh, kill me. On a big frame. I'm hungry. Alright, when in doubt, straddle your desk. Let's get to caulking. I can't get off the table. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I kind of forgot what I did there. I want to make a monstera tray. Your life burns faster. Obey your master. 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 Miss. It's about...
What?
I literally don't know.
It's the bank.
I was trying to say it's about to get super dirty, but then I was just like, sabang. Let's pipe more flowers! Wah, 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 wah.
Ghost turd.
First, this looks like a marshmallow on a stick.
The cutest.
No, it's not perfect, but it's paint. Alright. This is the tip that I'm using. It looks like a bat, in my opinion. Let's go right... No. Here. We're going here. Just get paint on my face. Nobody, none of you are gonna say what this looks like. Okay? Or you're all grounded. We all know what it looks like.
A hole in the wall.
Exactly. Does it look like a hole in the wall?
We made tongues.
I don't know what I'm holding here. But holes punched in the wall. I've literally like cut myself the last 5 minutes we've been down here. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm trapped down here. I can never leave. Ow.
I don't know about that top left one.
That one? You shut up.
I'm sorry.
I hate that one. Say that to my face, you limp noodle. But yeah, so yeah, that's I'm trying to catch up on my brain. What do we think of that? Freaking boop perfect! Let's do it! They can't see what we're doing, they can only see our faces.
Why did you say that you wanted help?
Because I wanted you to come over here. Haha, you're dumb too.
I'm dumb.
Look at this adorable hammer. Look at it. You think it's only a hammer? You think it's only a flathead? It's a tiny flathead. You think it's only a tiny flathead? It's the tiniest flathead you've ever fucking seen in your life. You're gonna go inside or what? You're not gonna go inside. Mew, please go inside. I spent 2 weeks on this thing. You sitting next to your box? Like, this nail is really long. Don't say. How do you know?
I've been looking at it. Dude, if I don't monitor that, I'll get stabbed.
I put chalk on my skirt, so now we're gonna go sew them together.
Holy shit. Ah!
You done goofed, my friend.
Don't say that!
My eyes. What? Why aren't I just getting a witch hat? This is a jacket thing, so it opens up. We're not. What?
This is a jacket thing.
Yeah, it is. What's wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong with it.
I'm just trying to tell my internet friends.
You're actually crying now.
I'm just trying to tell my internet friends about my crafts, and you yelled at me. We're gonna fuck around and find out. Was that a good idea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Eureka. Dude, it's super cool.
I can't fucking see. What the fuck was that? Oopsie doodles. You have to deal with it. Like I had to deal with your baby poop fart last night.
For the 1000th time, I haven't been eating baby.
I hate this. I hate this. Help me. Help me. Sean?
What?
Can you fucking hold on to anything?
No! It's a freaking accident, you lady.
And with that, I'm closing out Artsy Madwoman 2022. The bloopers video is always my last. And honestly, it's always a video that I don't, for whatever reason, I don't think it's going to do what it always does to me. Looking back on these videos is always, it's always really weird and really like reflective for me. Like I kind of forgot how I felt. Obviously, like I forgot how I felt in January, the beginning of January, like the year. But to see myself talking and like my mannerisms and like how I am talking to you guys and filming videos, it always kind of catches me off guard. I guess I shouldn't say always because this is the second bloopers video. Or maybe it's the 3rd. Anyway, it always just kind of boggles my mind what January looks like. And February, and March, April, whatever. Like at the beginning of 2022, I was still upstairs at the shop. The second tiniest space I've ever worked in, besides, obviously, my apartment takes spot number 1 in that. It was difficult to work up there. I mean, the whole situation itself was difficult. And now I'm here, you know, in this enormous, enormous studio space. I feel like if you watch my videos regularly, you will know that I genuinely don't take this and you for granted. I am constantly trying to thank you because I feel like I'm fully aware of how special you are and how special all of this is. And like just how lucky I am. Lucky doesn't even feel like the right word. Like it doesn't feel heavy enough. It doesn't feel as big of a word as the actual feeling is. And with these videos, I also like reflect on the growth that the entire channel has gone through. A few different transitions and changes happened in 2022. And I will never claim to ever have it figured out. I don't think I'll ever figure this out. I think if you ever catch me saying that I've got this figured out, you should smack me across the face with your comment because I don't think I ever want to have this figured out. And I honestly think that that is something that I've come to realize very recently, is that ever since I started my channel, I have like desperately clung. My clutches, my hands are still gripped tight on, I gotta figure this out. I gotta find a way to sustain this. I have to figure this out. I have to figure out how this is gonna work out. I have to constantly, you know, push myself, push. Like I have to find out the answer. I have to find the magical thing that is going to make this my forever job. And honestly, like recently I'm still, you know, it's an uncomfortable thing to come to terms with, but I honestly feel like there is no magical thing that is going to do that for me. Like every week that I upload a video, every month out of every year that I've done this, there has been moments where I have felt like this is the end. Like I don't know what to do. I can't figure this out. This isn't going to work. And what always happens is that it does. It works. And maybe that is due to my anxiety. But I'm just realizing and working on releasing my grip on trying to figure out a way to keep doing this forever. You know what I mean? Like life is finite. And me getting to do this and have all of this and have you is like I found the needle in the haystack, you know? Like what I'm trying to say is it is so magical and special, and I feel like I'm living a movie life, you know? I feel like I'm living a once-in-a-lifetime chance thing. And I just, you know, I want to thank you for everything. I am so eternally grateful for your support in any way that you give it to me, watching the videos, commenting, you know, the merch, or using my links. Like it legitimately means the world to me. It means everything. So, thank you for another incredible year. Thank you for sticking with me through all the decisions that I made this year. Like I said, there were a few just like 90-degree turns, just like, you know what, guys, we're going this way instead. So thank you so much. I love you guys to absolute death. You mean more to me than you will ever know. And I will see you guys in 2023. Goodbye!